Il-kunċerti popolari tal-Candlelight Concerts fl-aħħar waslu f'Malta wkoll, kunċerti li s'issa isiru fi żjed minn mid-belt madwar id-dinja. Kif spjegat Manet News Martina Cartigiano li tifforma parti mit-tim tal-produzzjoni, il-Candlelight Concerts huma serje ta' kunċerti klassiċi li jsiru f'postijiet kulturali sabiex integraw il-kultura lokali mal-mużika klassika, kif ukoll jistiednu artisti lokali biex jieħdu sem. Ikomplet tispjegala l-kunċerti f'ta' Malta se jsiru fil-lukanda Fenicia fil-Furjana.
And today we are at the Phoenicia Malta, the first five-star historic hotel in Malta. And we are very happy to be here and to bring our candlelight concerts to the Maltese people.
Il-kunċerti kellhom il-bidu uffiċjali tagħhom fid-29 ta' Diċembru u se jkomplu għaddejjin sa Marzu bil-mira li dawn il-kunċerti jitawlu xi ftit aktar f'pajjiżna.
We have a calendar that you can check out on our website, Fever, and on the app. So we have concerts for December, January and February so far. But we are looking to expand our calendars.
Cartigiano komplet tispjega l-programm tal-kunċerti u spjegat kif il-mużika se tvarja bejn mużika klassika sal-mużika rock.
Our best sellers are the tribute to Queen, tribute to Hans Zimmer and other soundtracks, tribute to Vivaldi and his Four Seasons. And our guest stars, our musicians, are the Cordia String Quartet, a very talented local quartet.
Ikkonkludiet bil-istqarret li l-udjenza jkollhom sem dwar xiġri fil-programm tal-kunċert sabiex joħolqu programm uniku l-udjenzi tagħhom.
The way that we come up with our programs is very unique because it is a mix of research that our music curation department and our data department do together, along with the suggestions of our audience and, of course, our musicians. So we create very unique programs that at the end of the day are very similar in every city all around the world, but they also are adapted to the taste of the local audience.
Jade England, l-Net News.